Have you ever picked up a laptop or walked past a nice business sign and thought, that just looks expensive? Chances are you were looking at brushed aluminum. You see it everywhere. Appliances, car trim, elevator panels, luxury interiors. That soft metallic texture just feels premium. But here's the thing. Brushed aluminum isn't a special type of metal. It's just regular aluminum with a surface treatment. And today we're going to break down exactly how it works, why manufacturers love it, and how it stacks up against other finishes. So what actually is brushed aluminum? It's pretty simple. You take regular aluminum and mechanically scrub the surface in one consistent direction. That's it. Manufacturers use abrasive belts, sanding pads, wire brushes, or polishing tools, all moving in the same direction. That motion creates fine parallel lines across the surface, giving it that signature grain texture. The result is a soft, matte, metallic look. It doesn't reflect light sharply like a mirror finish. Instead, it diffuses it. That's what makes it look so clean and refined. In more advanced manufacturing, the brushing process gets combined with CNC machining to make sure the texture stays perfectly consistent across the whole part. Why do manufacturers use it so much? 3 words: versatility, appearance, and practicality. You'll find brushed aluminum on business signs, wall panels, phones, laptops, kitchen appliances, car trim, light fixtures, and architectural panels. The list goes on. It looks high-end, but it doesn't cost like high-end. That's a huge win for manufacturers. And here's a bonus. That textured surface hides fingerprints and small scratches really well, way better than a polished finish. So for products people touch constantly, it's a very practical choice. How does it compare to other finishes? Let's keep this simple. Standard aluminum is the budget option, semi-gloss, flat-looking, fine for structural work, but it doesn't have that premium feel. Reflective aluminum is all about visibility. It uses a reflective vinyl coating on top of the metal. Great for traffic signs and safety applications, but it relies on that coating. Remove it and the look is gone. Brushed aluminum is different. The finish comes from the metal itself. No coating needed. That makes it more durable and way more versatile for decorative use. What about satin finish? A lot of people mix these two up. They're not the same. Satin aluminum is smoother and slightly glossy, more reflective than brushed. Brushed aluminum has that visible directional grain, more matte, more industrial, more modern. Want something glossy and sleek? Go satin. Want texture, depth, and that premium metal look? Go brushed. Is it actually durable? Yes, it holds up really well compared to most decorative coatings. And because the surface already has texture, small scratches blend right in. You'd barely notice them. That's a big practical advantage for everyday products. Manufacturers can also brush in different directions or apply it selectively to certain areas. That creates interesting visual effects and makes products look more custom and high-end. Any downsides? A couple of small ones. It's typically a one-sided decorative finish. And while it works outdoors, a lot of manufacturers prefer it for indoor use where the finish stays looking sharp over time. But honestly, for most applications, the advantages far outweigh the limitations. Quick recap. Brushed aluminum gives you a premium modern look without the premium price tag. It's durable, versatile, and practical. That's why it shows up on everything from your phone to a skyscraper lobby. If you're choosing between finishes, brushed aluminum is hard to beat for that clean, high-end metal aesthetic. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more engineering and manufacturing insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.